Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and the lock we're picking today is this Pacific lock 200A, sent to me by, well, you can see, Albert Lebel, Big Al. He's a really nice guy and has a fantastic lock picking channel, so please do go check that out. I'll leave links and cards and all sorts of things all over the place, so yeah, do go check that out. So what is a PacLock 200A? Well, it just appears to be quite a large-bodied aluminium padlock with a thick hardened steel shackle. It's kind of nice. I like it. If you look at the keyway, it's got a sort of American lock style keyway, and here's the key for this particular lock. Not crazy bitting, but it's nice to see such a high pin on pin 6 there, and some lows on pins 2 and 3 to protect the highs. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's sort of an average, not extreme bitting. Oh, and ball bearing mechanism. Yeah, really nice. It's a very aesthetically pleasing lock. Nice and square, very chunky. So yeah, thank you again, Al, for sending me this. It's really kind of you. Anyway, let me throw this in a vise. We'll talk about how we're going to pick it, and then hopefully we can pick it. So here we are, all viced up, and this whole padlock is quite big, so the shackle is actually hitting sort of the back of the vise, so it probably won't pop open even if we do open it. So got a 1.2mm pry bar, which fits pretty snugly in the top of this lock. Gives me a lot of room in the keyway to play with, so I'm going to use a Sparrow's Lunatic. It's quite a nice high reach on there. Just going back in the lock, and pin 6 there. Can already feel it binding. Nice. 5. Good. Nothing on 4. Little click on 3. 2 into a false set. Just overset pin 1, so let's go back through. Six, 5, 3, 2 again. Just check the other pins. Nothing on 6, nothing on 5, nothing on 4, nothing on 3, nothing on 2. So it's just pin 1, and we have an open. There we go. Now, as I said, the shackle won't pop open, so I'm going to try and keep this in my hand and let the pressure come off. And there we go. There we go. Right. Let's have a look inside here and see if we can gut this. I've taken apart these PacLocks before, so I'm using an Imperial set of Allen keys instead of the metric ones, which don't quite work. So I came prepared knowing that these are made in America and use what we call Imperial measurements. So let's put this here for reference. Let's have a look. And yeah, I have heard that this is the case for some of these newer ones, but some of the older ones did have a C-clip and you could gut them. This, if we look here, just get in focus for you. Where's my pick? Can you see just here? That is crimping, and what that is doing is it's actually acting in place of a circlip on the back. So there isn't really, well, there might be. Where's the key? Let's lock this back up. Sometimes, so Master Lock sometimes crimp the backs of their course, but they have a shaped plug or core, which also when you match it up, oh no, it's the old American, or is it old American locks? Well, American Lock or Master Locks anyway, they have a crimped core, but you can get past it. So without dumping these pins out, let's just see if I can coax it in any way. No, it actually appears to be fully crimped with no like recess on the plug to allow it to come out, which is a bit of a shame. I mean, it's definitely got spools in it. I'm just going to say it's felt like spools and standards. Possibly some serrations, but other than that, no. It's a good fun lock, but I didn't feel anything too special inside it. It's a shame I can't gut it, but yeah, it's an odd choice for PacLock to forgo little circlips and crimp the cores. Anyway, doesn't take away from what a lovely lock this is, sent by Albert. Big Al, thank you again. Everyone else, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.